Hey everybody, gaming lovers, gaming online gamers, Eugene CryptoEmcee is here. You're watching crypto events, IT events, announcements. If you are in the gaming industry, you may have paid attention on Minsk iGaming affiliate conference, which will be held in capital of Belarus, the country between Poland and Russia, in March 5th. And please welcome my today's upcoming guest is Mr. Jan Sammut. He's broadcasting from Malta right now, and he's blockchain and cryptocurrency investor and ICO advisor and CEO of ICO Launch Malta. So, Jan, it's a great honor and pleasure to have you on interview.
Hi, Eugene. Pleased to be on the air, and it's an honor for me.
Well, let's start with a short intro for those guys who may be not familiar with you. Could you please tell some words about you, who you are, and what you do regarding gaming, gambling, and affiliate marketing, for example?
Okay, so basically, as by way of background, I worked in the online gambling industry for 10 years. I worked on both the affiliate side and the operator side. And throughout that experience, it was very self-evident that the affiliate industry is somewhat broken, in that it depends very much on trust, and that you have two parties in the equation which have a financial incentive, have directly opposed financial incentives. Unfortunately, this manifests its ways in several manners. It includes everything from operators skimming on sales for affiliates, to affiliates incentivizing users to benefit from CPA deals. So we developed the Ref Token affiliate platform, which is basically a distributed affiliate platform that runs in a trustless manner on smart contracts. And what it does is it basically ensures that affiliates will always get paid. It ensures that the funds for a campaign will always be held in escrow in a smart contract, so everyone knows exactly how much you're going to get paid for what. It minimizes the cash flow issues that affiliates face, where they're paying for marketing today but getting paid for the traffic in 30 days time, or sometimes even more, because they get paid at the point of conversion. And it also helps operators validate that all the traffic is legit and that there isn't anything funny going on with the traffic that they're receiving from the affiliates.
So what are your main reasons you have agreed to take part in this conference, and what core points you will be talking about at the conference?
So the conferences are always excellent. There's always a very good mix of people and points of view. It's always good to travel and meet other people, and learn what other people are working on in different parts of the world. I'm going to be speaking about basically bringing blockchain technology to affiliate marketing and how it can help to reduce costs, reduce fraud, and increase efficiency, and ultimately revenues and profits for both parties.
Well, as I am now in Belarus, I have to ask you, will it be your first time in Minsk or not? And if yes, what are your expectations from future attending of this country?
Okay, so yes, it is going to be my first time in Belarus, and I guess I'm looking forward to the food and some nightlife.
Yeah, we guarantee that you will be enjoying our hospitality. And finally, Jan, who will you recommend to visit Minsk iGaming affiliate conference? What people, what activities would have profited or benefited most, by your opinion, of attending this event?
So I reckon that anyone who is interested or actively involved in the gambling or in the affiliate marketing will benefit from joining. There's going to be some phenomenal speakers. Some of the topics are going to be very incisive and very relevant. So it's always good to get a lot of different points of views, and especially when you get such a concentration of people in the same place discussing the same topics. You always generally get a lot of value out of the networking, new business leads, new opportunities coming along, etc. So it's definitely a must-attend event.
Well, I totally agree with you. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are in gaming and gambling or affiliate marketing, or if you are not in this industry, or you want to explore how gaming and blockchain realm works together in conjunction, or you have never been in Belarus, just pay attention on the Minsk iGaming affiliate conference in the capital of Belarus in March 5th. It's not too cold here. We even get no snow, so don't be afraid. Please come here, come visit Belarus and use the promo code CryptoEmcee or speaker for getting a 20% discount. By the way, visit CryptoEmcee.com, find the other events and the promo codes. We can also meet with you there. So Eugene Romanenko, CryptoEmcee, and Jan Sammut from Malta were with you. Thank you for watching. Stay gaming, stay gambling, stay marketing, and let's see you at the Minsk iGaming Affiliate Conference, March 5th. See ya.
Thanks, guys. See you there.